today we have an unboxing of Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2. Two games fully remastered, remade on the ps4, and I hear the graphics for this is brilliant. Yeah, I remember playing the 3 and 4, but I never really seen the first two games, so although I've played levels of them and such as Venice Beach, but now I get to see it all in one go, and I heard this is pretty good, this game. So yeah, let's do this quick unboxing. If I can find it. Where is it? I ordered this off Amazon on a deal. It was for around about 28 or 20 or £25, so it was probably half price. Yeah. Oh bloody hell. Hey, and it's open, so feel that. There you go. And look at that. And there you go. We are in. Let's open it up, and there you go, the disc. And all the information. Yeah, can't wait to play this, really looking forward to it. Especially doing it with all the pros. Yeah, this is going to be a fun game. I might do a review on this, but thank you for watching, see you in the next one.